Pesto is one of the most versatile sauces in the culinary world, but it's not always vegan. We're going to learn how to make vegan carrot top pestos using carrot tops. Making carrot top pesto is real easy. It also helps reduce food waste. Making the pesto and then drizzling it on top of your roast carrots is an easy, delicious way to go. You're going to want to make sure you wash these guys nice and good because they're filled with sand. You're going to rip them off and chop them up into nice tiny pieces and get them in a blender. It's just a few simple ingredients: olive oil, cashews or walnuts, garlic, nutritional yeast, and lemon juice. You're gonna give this a nice little shake and add it to your blender. After everything is nice and blended together, it's going to be real smooth and creamy. That nutritional yeast is going to add that Parmesan-y flavor that you usually get from pesto and some great flavor. Drizzle it over some of that delicious roasted carrots you had and enjoy.